I'm still pale as shit. Wow. It's Alanna. Today I look like a ghost.
Says a lot because like it's really.
I am going to show you my summer makeup look, glowy makeup look. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet. This is my intro, so yeah, let's just get started. I'm just going to take a toner to clear my skin or whatever. I don't know, get all the dirt off. So this is an aloe vera toner, and I got this from TJ Maxx, but you can use any kind of toner. Witch hazel's good. This is the peach witch hazel. That's really good, but I like aloe vera for some reason. Aloe vera anything I love. Look at all that shit. That's so nasty. I'm also super pale right now because I've not laid out and it's already July, so that's not really good. Anyway, I'm using a aloe vera moisturizer. I have really dry skin, so if you have like oily skin, I wouldn't recommend putting a moisturizer underneath your foundation in the summer because you're gonna be like sweating and stuff, but my skin literally peels. It's so dry. So for primer, I'm going to use the Becca First Light Priming Filter. It's the purple one or whatever. I'm just gonna pump that. I pump it on the back of my hand and use a brush because I think it works better for some reason. And then I use a flat brush and just...
Send me your location. The vibrations I don't need.
I don't want to make this like a get ready with me because it's like 11:02 p.m. So after I do that, take this Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm, and I also have dry under eyes, so I just do this before my makeup. So yeah. Okay, now I'm going to take this Tree Stick Blur Mini Matte Blur Stick, and I just use this over my nose because that's where I have the blackheads and my chin. Beauty blender and just blend that out. The LA Girl Pro Conceal, the green concealer, and just conceal the redness. I have a lot of redness on my face and like pimples and stuff, so.
Nothing else but you.
I have like 4 eyelashes left, and don't mind me, I'm getting my eyelashes done tomorrow, thank God, because I look stupid as hell. For foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Doing It Smooth in the shade 125. Like, I swear this matches me, I promise you. I'm going to blend this foundation out with a Morphe M439 brush. And my camera's dying. Wow.
I wanna fall in love off a subtweet, so let's get personal. I got a lot of cool spots that we can go. Tell me what's the move and I got you. I'm only acting like.
And the concealer I'm going to use is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Light.
It's cause I like you. Just give me the vibe to love.
Miss me with that bullshit. I made 100,000, I freaked it. I made 100,000, I freaked it.
Then, oh, I might make you mine by the night. Then ship me your location. Let's focus on communicating, cause I just need.
I'm gonna take the Laura Mercier translucent powder and a wet beauty blender. One bakes, so like I bake. Oh wow, I just made myself look like 10 times more pale. That's not even good. Okay, we're gonna do brows. I don't do much for brows. I don't need to really. This is the Urban Decay Brow Tamer in the color Dark because yeah, my brows are literally like black. I'm also gonna carve them out. I'm gonna use the concealer on the bottom and my foundation on the top. And I'm going to use a Luxie 245 brush.
Time and place to come through. Send me your location. Let's find the vibrations. I don't need nothing else.
Okay, so I'm wiping away the baking powder, that blending brush or whatever. This is just a random Morphe brush. And I'm just going to set the brow or whatever. I just don't bake it all, I just like do it lightly. The Mario Badescu. I'm gonna put on some chapstick because this is where I remember to put chapstick on. So I'm not really gonna do eyeshadow because this is like gonna be an everyday glam look. So I'm just gonna use the Hoola bronzer with a crease brush and just blend a little bit into my crease. Okay, well, my battery just died, and 20 minutes later, you look like this. Anyway, now I'm gonna do bronzer. So I'm gonna do contour, and for contour I'm gonna use the Chanel Soleil Tan Day Chanel. It looks like this. It smells really good. I've had this for so long and I still have a lot left. Looks like I made a dent in it. This shit was hella expensive, but there's a lot of dupes you can probably find. I'm just stupid and bought the actual thing. This is what we look like. Our beauty blender and blend.
Just the way you like. You say I'm sexy, so bad they should arrest me. You can't forgive me. Gave you the time.
A powder bronzer, and I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Rich Amber.
Your life, what you need, is another one. Can't you see?
Over brush and blend that in.
You've been waiting for. What you need, is unworkable.
For highlighter, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight. This is so pretty and so pigmented. I'm just going to take a random Morphe brush. I don't know, it doesn't have a name. I got it in like a kit. And ready, watches, ready. Oh my god, one swipe. Wow!
What you need, come here, step on up to this, step on up to this.
Also going to take a pointed brush and go on my brow bone and my inner corner.
Step on up to this crazy love. Step on up to this.
My bottom lashes, I use a brown mascara. This is like a tinted one. I don't know, my mom gave it to me, so. Yeah, this is the Benefit They're Real Tinted Primer. I don't know, I use it as mascara. So I just think a brown mascara makes your eyelashes, like, makes you look more natural. Pretty much done. The last thing we're gonna do is lips. I don't really like matte lipsticks, period, or any other kind. I use glosses all the time, but I love lip liner. So the lip liner I'm going to use today is the Buxom Dolly Danger, and I like it because it's like got a big pen thing and it's like as a brush on the end.
Step on up to this. Step on up to this crazy love.
Now I'm going to take the Kylie Cosmetics Cocoa K Gloss. Next, I'm just going to take the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray and just set my face one last time. This is the final look. Looks pretty good. I've done this look a few times, and I like it. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. I don't really know how to end these things. So yeah.